Friends, welcome back. I am Vivekanandan. So the moment you hear this word pizza, many would jump into excitement and say, I love pizzas. And there would be a few people who are the exact opposite to them who would say, no, I do not like pizzas. But in India, the moment you mention pizza, people can actually relate to this particular organization, which is none other than Domino's Pizzas. So in today's video, let us discuss about a few strategies which Domino's had employed to be a success in India. In fact, it is said that Domino's is one particular organization which has bounced back from COVID-19 compared to its competitors, compared to its peers. So in fact, it is mentioned that Domino's is one particular organization which has bounced back from COVID-19 in a better way compared to its peers. So what are those strategies employed by Domino's so far? So to start with, the first strategy I would say is blue ocean strategy. So what is this blue ocean strategy? For example, if you're going to start an apparel shop or a clothing shop in already a crowded area, already where there are a number of clothing shops already. For example, say in a place like Chennai or Mumbai or Delhi, you're going and starting a clothing shop in an already existing market. What happens is we are adding one more clothing shop. But for example, say that you are going and starting a clothing shop which is a newly carved out town or a district or some other place where people are expecting some good clothing shops in that particular locality. If we are going and starting in that particular place, you call this as blue ocean. It is not that we cannot succeed in a red ocean, but the point is blue ocean will help us much better. It is going to be relatively easy to succeed over there. I feel that Domino's had actually employed this blue ocean strategy over here because when they came to India in 1995, there were nobody else who are selling pizzas in India. So after the economy opened up, they were able to come to India. So only a very relatively few players were there. So these people, when they came to India, they had this challenge of changing the consumer behavior, but still the market is fresh. The market is a blue ocean. When you make the right moves, you can attract the consumers. And today, Domino's is highly successful. They are present around 250 locations and they have more than 1,000 stores. So the first strategy Domino's success is all about a blue ocean strategy. This is the first one. And the second one is, I feel that Domino's has been a trendsetter. I'll just give my own example. I happened to visit a new place, a new small town due to work a few years before. And so the moment I went there in the main locality, finding a Domino's store was a surprise to me because I was wondering, this is a very relatively small town and how many orders will they be able to take up in one particular day. But the point is, to my amusement, every evening I found that they were able to take hundreds of deliveries. So constantly the delivery executives were flying in and flying out. And when I just went into that and observed why this is happening, there were two big colleges, institutions in that particular locality. And what happened is these students, one or the other, used to order pizzas every other single day. And my point over here is, I believe that the delivery orders would have been much more higher than the orders taken in the store. People coming there and having a dine-in experience. Obviously, the delivery orders would have been higher. So what is the point? My point over here is that when they came in, they come out with this particular model where they are not only just going to locate the store and service people only out of their store, we are going to come out with delivery experience as well. So that is a trendsetter over here. So even in we get used to all these food delivery apps and aggregators only recently. The entire India is getting accustomed to this particular habit by ordering through food delivery apps. But the point over here is Domino's has been doing that far earlier, and they might have also been an inspiration for other food delivery services as well. So it is all about being a trendsetter and setting up the trend, and that also gives you a huge advantage. So this is the second one. And the third one is all about customer service. So after this COVID-19 after this lockdown, what happens is I got to read a lot of numerous surveys and hear a lot of consumer behaviors. And one common fact or one common point, the consumers are stressing out while going to eat out or while ordering food is they stress on this particular aspect on hygiene. Whichever company is going to give us hygiene, we will be ordering there or we will be eating there. And they all of them were pointing out to all the names which are already existing in the market, all the brands which have established themselves in the market. So my point over here is, whenever you get into a Domino store, I always see that people actually wearing this caps around their heads, which is a symbol of maintaining hygiene in a store. So even in YouTube we can find a lot of videos where many hotels, restaurants or many other places, they allow people to get into their kitchen, which is a symbol of confidence. They are very confident that people can see their hygiene standards they are maintaining in the organization. So my point is, this particular maintenance of hygiene is also a customer service. It is not just we can just go away by providing some tasty food. Quality matters in terms of, again, taste or the ingredients or even the hygiene standards we meet inside the organization. So anybody who does is going to succeed over here. So this symbol of wearing this cap around their head, many people do it, and I feel they also do it, and this customer service element also helps them a lot. So apart from this, I feel that they also have a robust business model. Apart from this, I feel that they have a robust business model where they have this both store also with them and delivery also with them. So after COVID-19, food delivery services are ready, but the stores are not ready. But these guys, they have both together and they are able to integrate both and they are able to succeed. And the basic food item they have, the pizza is in circular shape, so that also can be packed easily. So these are the other factors which actually help them a lot to succeed in the market. What do you feel? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.